Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. These are photos that I collected through the entire month of September. I do this video the first Sunday of every month. So whatever photos you send me in October will be the first Sunday in November when you see those in the video. There was a lot of participation this month. I think there's over 8 minutes of photos, so thank you very much for continuing to participate in this video. It gets a little bit bigger each month. The email address to send in photos is right here at the bottom. If you would, make sure the email says subscriber photos or something like that, so I know I get a lot of email to this email address, and it's hard to differentiate. And make sure you turn your phone sideways and send me full-size photos. Don't downsize them, or don't try to send 8 in an email and have to downsize the size of the files. I'd rather you send one big photo. You'll see some in this video where they're teeny tiny in the middle of the screen. That's I can't blow them up but so much before they become distorted, and I want to show off your stuff the best that I possibly can. So okay, that's enough of that. I introduced a giveaway last week for the 4 pairs of Corona snips, and I have 2 winners from YouTube and 2 winners from Instagram. The 2 YouTube winners are Donna Wooten and Gilbert Smith, and then on Instagram it was at Gino Liverett, probably mispronouncing whatever that, and Peg Plant. If you will send me a message to this HortTube at gmail.com with your address, I will get those Corona. I'll get these Corona snips out to you. If I don't hear from you, I will contact you directly. One more thing before we show off the subscriber photos for this week. Corona has I made a discount code, HortTube15. Which you get 15% off on the Corona Tools website and free shipping. So if you'll go over to the Corona Tools website, if you do need pruners or you need shears or any of that, you can go directly to the Corona Tools website. They're in California, and they'll send them out to you with a 15% discount and free shipping if you use that HortTube 15 discount code when you're checking out. So thanks to them for participating in the channel. They've been great for several years now, doing the giveaways and participating in the channel, and it's the tools I've used, while I was a landscaper and the nursery operation that I had as well. Okay, here's 8 minutes of subscriber photos that were sent in during the month of September. Again, thanks everyone for participating in this video every month.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.